at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now, follow me. But stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are bendy and the knees are not. Look at him.
Dad was obviously eggshell shocked.
But the neighbors scream and howl. Legs are bruised. He's a balanced waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off. Whack, 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 whack. Whack, 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 whack.
Now, that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him that chop.
Look at him.
Look at him.
And be thankful that he's not your kid.
We got him as a brother.
Look at him.
Look at him.
Bound to go the way the dodo did.
And he's worse than any other.
Bodywork designed to shock. Prospects pretty dim. He should form a solo flock. Look at him. Look at me. Look at you. You'll agree. Anywhere you look will be less free.
Neck just made to